So Johnny, I sent a picture if the problem my cousin needs help with, and I sadly forgot how to solve it. Calculate the missing length x. All right, so we have a right triangle, so we know we can use Pythagorean theorem or our trigonometric functions. Here is our angle, and here's the right angle, or the 90-degree angle. We know that directly across from a 90-degree angle, right, where it kind of points to, is always going to be the hypotenuse. We know the angle that is directly opposite of your angle is going to be the opposite side. And the side length between your angle and the 90-degree angle is always what we call our adjacent side. So we have a value for the hypotenuse, and we have a value for the opposite. So since we only have two lengths, we don't have a third length. We can't use Pythagorean theorem, but we can use our trigonometric functions. So now we just need to remember, well, which trigonometric function deals with opposite and hypotenuse and opposite? Well, if you forgot them, let's just go and list them out real quick. Sine of an angle is the relationship or the comparison of the opposite side over the hypotenuse. We have cosine of an angle is the comparison of how big is your adjacent side over your hypotenuse. And tangent of theta is the comparison of how big is the opposite side over the adjacent side. So again, we don't have anything for adjacent, right? So it's not going to be cosine or tangent. So it's going to be sine of theta. So we just simply type in the sine of 64 degrees is equal to the opposite, which is x, over the hypotenuse, which is 6.8. Now, to go ahead and solve, we're going to multiply by 6.8 on both sides, and I get x equals a 6.8 times the sine of 64 degrees. Now, unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, I do not have my calculator with me. So I'm going to try. Where's my calculator here? Where'd my calculator go? I lost my calculator. Now I can't find my calculator. What the heck? I gotta have my calculator. I don't have a calculator? All right, is anybody going to do this at home and we can post the answers, please? Anybody with a... Oh, there it is. I was wanting to go crazy. I'm like, how did I lose my calculator? Aha. But I can't do a scientific on that, can I? Crap. Oh, dang it. 0.92. Mad Hup, you better not get this wrong. But hopefully that helps. Hopefully. I'll give it to that. All right, let's give it that one.